DeepOpinion created a no-code platform which really democratizes the use of AI. It enables teams to build human-level AI bots and automate repetitive cognitive processes for all sorts of unstructured text and documents. DeepOpinion's solution is trusted by a range of global corporates. It complements and easily integrates with existing enterprise systems and RPA tools, which makes building intelligence into processes easier. Please welcome DeepOpinion.
Millions of times in your organization, people sit in front of the same email, document, or ticket to process unstructured information, extract, and feed it into systems. In claims, underwriting, policy management, hundreds of people. And let's admit, nobody likes to do the same mundane things over and over again. It's a waste of human intelligence, time, and money. But while this looks so easy to automate, it isn't. Knowledge work with unstructured data is complex and slow because of the variety of input, complex business logic, and a scattered IT landscape. And here DeepOpinion comes into play. A generative automation platform that makes it easy to automate processes related around the handling of unstructured data and knowledge work. My name is Steve, co-founder at DeepOpinion. With me, Alex, our director of technical sales. Collaborating with dozens of insurers, we hear about the same three challenges over and over again. Despite significant invests in AI and OCR, the processing of unstructured is still unsolved. Second, deploying and maintaining AI solutions requires huge investments, skills, and resources. And integrating AI into actual business process requires big IT investments. Now, generative AI seems to have great capabilities, but it poses risks of hallucination, instability, and missing confidences. With DeepOpinion, we solve all of these issues, enabling insurers to leverage the power of generative AI while mitigating all its risks. Over the last 5 years, we've developed an engine that guarantees best-in-class AI performance. Our no-code builder allows to fine-tune AI models, combine them with business rules and logic to comprehensive business apps. Detailed confidence metrics and human-in-the-loop functionality allows 100% data correctness, and all of this easily integrated with more than 150 standardized enterprise connectors. So let's check out how easy it is to process a complex process such as claims.
Thank you, Steve. Good morning, everyone. What we see on the screen here is a perfect example of a process flow for travel claims use case. Everything starts from receiving a claim. Usually, a claim handler will process the claim, will assign it to the right line of product, will read the additional information, and then will process to index the attachments. If there's anything missing, we'll revert back to the submitter. Otherwise, we'll carry on with the process to extract the required information for processing the claim and perform a data validation. Further, a policy will be located, coverage check will be performed in order to pretty much in the end calculate the right reimbursement amount, which can be triggered to an auto payment or can be sent through an approval process. What we look at is a perfect example of a knowledge work, very complex, requiring multiple inputs, requiring business logic, and multiple applications. What we see with our customers is that the happy path of this process usually takes around 20 minutes. But now let's see how DeepOpinion addresses this. First, what we see now, we are in the middle, at the heart of our product, where you can select your own AI skills for the right cognitive tasks that you need to embed into your process. These AI skills can be used on their own, integrated with the orchestration layers, such as Guidewire, APN, BPMs, RPN, so on and so on, or they can be fine-tuned and then they can be consumed using our workflow process. What I'm going to do now, I can start building the process that we just seen. So first of all, what we would do, we would just look and we'll get a node to read email. We'll connect to an email, and further, we can perform some AI skills, such as text classification for the email classification. I can drag and drop text information extraction, document classification, document extraction. I can chain them in a sequence to allow me to build AI business apps. In the end, what we will see a workflow that looks like this. Let's press play. Within a few seconds, we see the workflow starting to execute. However, nothing will happen because I don't have an email yet. So I've already prepared an email for a claim regarding a travel to Copenhagen for a missed departure due to a broken leg that has a supporting attachment, a medical discharge report, has a payment confirmation, and a boarding ticket. Within a few seconds, if the internet helps us, you've seen the email coming in, it flashed, and that means that the email was processed. And if you look at the executions, we see that we have a touchless execution. The flow just went through by reading the email, using an AI skill to classify the email and to tell me that we have a travel claim on our hands, then proceeding to indexing the attachments such as ticket, payment invoice, and then we will have a medical report. Afterwards, can embed logic to calculate the completeness check. And if everything goes well, I can start extracting the data that I need for my claim, such as passenger name, flight number, the date of the flight, the value of the flight, 170 euros, and again, the customer name. And from the medical report, I can get again the patient name and the date where the event has happened. It's very important to notice that for every field that we extract and every output of our AI skills, we provide confidence levels that allows you to bring a human in the loop and ensure data correctness. Further, in the end, we can do a coverage classification of our claim. We see that this is a missed departure. We can locate and extract data from the policy details. This is going to load in a second, to have access to what's the excess and the maximum covered. And ultimately, we can get all the data together, update your claims management system, and notify the user about a submission, and to say that this has been already approved because it's a low-value claim. This is how you can accelerate and you can achieve touchless automation using DeepOpinion.
Remember, this process used to take a personal claim handler 15 to 20 minutes. Now, all of this has been automated within 60 seconds using generative AI and automation running 365 days, 24/7 at a fraction of the cost. This is how you can leverage generative AI while mitigating all its risks. If you want to learn more, we would be happy to see you at our booth. Looking forward to speaking with you. Thank you.